Hi, everybody. Today, for a minute, I had to stop everything that I was doing and make this video because this week has been an extremely disturbing and extremely crazy week for me, this country, and I can't just sit by and watch some of the things which I have witnessed on Instagram. Sonam Wangchuk, the story of Wang Wang, the dog that was burnt, the rising atrocities against animals, the misuse of Instagram as a platform, the climate crisis, the rising heat. I mean, what all can we ignore? And in the midst of all this, I see a certain representative of our government absolutely giving us no response on any of these things. Okay, dogs were not important, environment is not important. Anybody protesting now gets painted as an anti national. But people out here on Instagram are busy selling dresses, makeup, hair, like nothing ever mattered. Like these things just don't matter. We're becoming a nation of crazy people who go to religious places and pollute the environment. Reaching half an hour faster to a religious place was never the idea, it was an inner pilgrimage. I run a spiritual channel, I do everything Vedic, and I know for a fact that finding God isn't about visiting a place. And who are these people who can afford cars to go to places but don't have the sense not to throw flowers in water and to pollute the rivers? So I don't know what kind of people are we making for the generation to come. It's scary. And literally a handful of people. The good part is a handful of people are waking up and protesting. And thank God for the protest that happened in Dehradun and Uttarakhand. The lady who shaved off her head and they stopped felling the trees. But the thing which is commonsensically so obvious, why is the government just the last to get it, and why is it not listening to its people? There has to be stronger rules against animal abuse, stronger rules against environmental damage, a kind of committee as to how much environment can be cut back, and whatever is cut back it should be replenished. And that can't happen till our society wakes up. And there's a whole 70% of this society which is not waking up. The one that's talking, screaming, yelling and going out of their way is a handful. What is wrong with that 70%, I want to know, which is comfortable spitting on railway stations? How much can a government also do in that space? As citizens, when will we wake up? When will that uneducated class, which are now getting cars and yojanas and God knows what all freebies for voting for this government, but just won't even do the basic to keep the country clean? There are no laws for littering, just literally no laws. Without laws for animal abuse, littering, environmental damage, big companies getting away with shit, our country is going to go down a very bad and dirty manhole, which I don't know if it can ever come out of, because we're on this crazy consumerist spree. People are selling makeup like every 5 minutes. You can't buy a product. There are sales every. It's just, I don't know. It's just, to me it sounds like only a mad, delirious person will go on buying things like this. Will go on polluting like this. Will go on living so stupidly for the rest of their lives like this. And Instagram's algorithm is another thing, showing junk to people. The new generation of people is going to turn out to be really bad if we don't put in the same bunch or handful of people scream, yell, shout and start putting some rules in place for digital media, for animal abuse and all things that matter and that we hold dear. Wake up, India. It's time. You can't just sit by and do nothing. I think we just have to do something about this. And I'm really worried about my country. Please comment about what you think we should do.